Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Facebook ads for advertising. To do that, step 1. Set up Facebook Business Manager account. You can start by creating a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't already. When it comes to mobile device, go to your application store and then download and install Business Suite for Facebook ads. This account will serve as the central hub for managing your Facebook advertising campaigns. Now, step 2. Define your campaign objective. Determine your advertising goals, whether it's increasing brand awareness, and etc. Step 3. Create your ad campaign. Set up a new ad campaign within the Facebook Ad Manager. Define your target audience based on interests, demographics, and behavior. And last, monitor and optimize your campaign. Once your campaign is live, closely monitor its performance through the ad manager. So that's how to use Facebook ads for advertising. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.